Let's do it.
Okay.
I think this game owes us quite a bit. Okay, good luck.
Good luck, baby.
Oh, that's right, this is where we pick.
Always go left.
Always go left. Ooh, that could be really good. All right, well, we were just putzing around here playing nickels. My first bet at $6.25, $1,250, $1,250 chip, $625. Holy cow. Can big numbers bring big numbers? Come on, guys. Wish me luck here. Come on. That's what we like to see right there. $62.50. Come on. All right, all right. Come on. Oh, I seen the minor. Nickels, minors, $2.50. Come on, last one. Come on, anything. Keep it going. Oh my goodness. That's the biggest ball I've ever hit. Mohegan Sun. We're down a little bit of money. Look at that. That's huge. Oh my gosh. Okay, last time I did this, we did bat splat, $10 bet though, 10-cent denomination. I do not know what to do here. I'm gonna go against all instincts and go left, right. Come on, something line up. Times 4. All right, $70. Bet. This could be a hand paid, please. Something. Alright, we're at 370. That's awesome. Oh, come on. Come on, something really crazy fun. Oh, kings. All right. Who cares? It's something, right? All right, we're at 566. One more game left. Could it be something epic? Could it be something epic? Please. Here we go. Come on. Guys, we got cats. Could have been worse. 10-cent denomination, $10 bet. We got the freaking mini. Good Lord, come on. Can it be a good bonus, please? $10 every time that hits, so that's $44. Come on. Come on, keep it going, please. Keep it going. Snap. Something. Oh, keep it going. No, you're going to do that to me. That's horrible. $190, $290. Oh, all right, all right. That still could have been so much better.
Good luck.
Good luck. All right, $25.
All right. Come on. Come on.
Save it.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Keeps going. It's a scary major.
It is. I like that. That's actually why I picked this one, not that one.
All right, 10. 10 more. High limit room. Mohegan Sun. All right, $25. Nice.
Come on.
Come on. Oh, 50 there. Nice. You want want something, sweetie?
A water.
Water and can I get a Stella? Thank you. Oh, here's your water.
Oh, thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, so many tracks.
Okay, save it.
Come on.
Oh, but that's so good.
Nice.
I'll take it.
Nice one. Good choice to pick this one, sweetie.
Thank you.
Quarter denomination. Miner's $12.50 on this one. $2.50 mini. All right. We don't normally play quarters.
Get some water.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
all right,
Then
I'll
he's
go.
already here. We can do it. Come on. Come on.
Come on. Hit.
Nice. All right.
Hit.
All right.
Hit.
All right. Anything that hits is beautiful. Wow. That was.
Hit.
Oh, nice hit, babe. Good job, babe.
Thank you. Okay.
Come on.
Save it.
Yes. Good
Thank
job.
you. Whew. All
Come on.
right. Okay. Another one.
54,000 right now.
Yes. Yes. I like this guy.
I'll buy you a drink if I
Yeah,
hit
absolutely.
it.
We'll actually have a party. That's awesome. That's fun anyway.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, good job. That's nice. A little ammo. Sweetie, that's so exciting.
Wow, look at me.
Look at you, another win at Mohegan. Goodness gracious.